The third point might be, suppose you have to replace the clutch which is not working. The fourth might be, add a new seat cover. Okay, and the fourth might be, suppose washing might not be included in the service. Okay, so you have to add it. So these are planned. Okay, so you have created a list of specifications. Okay, so what will be the next phase? Can you tell me? You have created your requirement. Okay, first you have identified that you have to service your two-wheeler, then you have created a list of service activities that take place. Okay, what is the next part, next phase? Just guess. Yeah, okay. No, what you said? Right, right. Identify the sources. Okay, or you can say source determination. Okay, you will then find who are the actual sources or mechanic near your residence where you can actually do the sourcing, uh, do the servicing. Okay, what will it include? Suppose you have asked, you have about 7 or 8 vendors in near your locality. You will assess the rates. This is additional. Okay, assess the rates of service center. Okay, then you will select the vendor source. Select the service provider. Okay, now you have selected the vendor. What do you do now? Sorry, I'm sorry. Now you do not know the this one service you have not selected yet. Okay, you will in in purchase cycle. You have, how do you select the vendor? You take out the request for quotation and you do all those things, right? I've described you very in detail, elaborately I've described you. So here also, before you select the service provider, you will bid the quotation. Okay, bid quotation, assess the rates of service center through RFQ. Okay, the next process is you will generate an RFQ. Okay, since you have not selected the vendor yet, so this process will not be there. This process only after you require give the, you can add it here, but Yeah, you first select the vendor and you first say provide the or you bid invitation. Okay, now once you exactly like you have in purchase cycle, you have created three different requests for quotations and you have sent it to the three vendors. Now the one who will quote you the least, okay, you will now what was the process after request for quotation? It was comparison. The vendor will send you the quotation, okay, and you will do a price comparison of all the three vendors. Okay, so here you send RFQ to now what you will do, they will send you the quotations. Once they send you quotation through post or by hard copy or they have messaged you, so you will do the comparison, compare the quotations. Exactly the way you have in P2P cycle. Okay, so finally here you have selected the source. Okay, so once you have selected the vendor or the source, you will go to the, you will what is the next process? You will create a purchase order or a service purchase order. Okay, so basically these four steps involves the process of vendor selection. So now you create service purchase order. Okay, so how you create a purchase order? In every special procurement process, you have seen that we have used some item category for those processes in the purchase order, Exactly. For example, we have used in vendor assignment item category as K. We have used we have used subcontracting